What is going on YouTube? Jay here from MJTech. Today testing the second MMB Multimedia video box, and this is the most updated one they have right now currently. This one retails for about $288 the last time I checked on their website. We also have here the first one, which was the wireless Apple CarPlay USB dongle plus. Now there's a big difference. This one here doesn't have its own operating system. It is something generic, and it does give you the mirroring link capabilities, where if you connect it to Wi-Fi, then you can have the mirroring link enabled, and you can watch things like YouTube on there, but you cannot watch Netflix or any other streaming app. Unfortunately, this one does have, of course, the wireless CarPlay, which is the main purpose of having one of these little boxes. But now this one here gives you so much more, in my opinion, and again, it's about $288. So let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Of course, I already tested it before completing this video. So the first thing we find when we open the box is the manual. Now this one does have GPS capabilities, but for that you have to plug in an extra piece. I didn't test that part, but if you guys really want to see it, I can do it on a separate video. But yes, here basically it does explain how to use it. So you have to find your fuse box and get it connected. It's a little piece that comes inside here. I'm going to be showing you that here in just a second. So this is the box, and at first it looks here, at a first glance it looks like a mini projector. And here on the top you can see the brand MMB. This one has the blue stripes, and they had a similar version to this in the past, but it had Android 7.0. This is their most updated one, and again it comes with Android 9.0. So here we have now the accessory box, in which I already broke because it was kind of tight, and as I was trying to get it out, the upper side of it broke. So what we're going to find in here is the like I said before, it's the little GPS box, and this is required if you want to use with the Android 9.0. If you want to use the GPS from it, then you will have to plug in this piece. Now in my opinion, guys, all you really have to do with this same piece is just enable the wireless CarPlay, and then you can use the actual Apple Maps. And in my opinion, that makes it just a little bit easier. But if you want to go the other route, you have the option as well, where this box is going to be totally independent basically when it comes to GPS usage. But yes, you do need this in order to get GPS signal, otherwise it is not going to be provided with the box alone. Here we have the USB cable. This is the one that I was telling you guys before that needs to be plugged in to the box, and then from the box you have to plug it into your vehicle. So let me show you here real quick. You plug it in on this side like so. This side will get connected to your factory USB hub of your vehicle. And again, if you have wired CarPlay right now from factory on your vehicle, most likely this box will work. But in case you're not sure, down below I will leave the link, so that way you can check and see if your vehicle is supported. But so far I have to say that it works quite well with the Toyota Camry 2018, but also any other Toyota model will be supported. So let's go now to the Toyota Camry 2018. Let's test it out and see how good it is. Alright guys, so here now we are outside, and I detailed my mom's car. I still have the bucket over there with the hose, and I love the Camry. This is a good, I would say a great reliable car. But I'm not here to review the car. We're gonna test this MMB media box and see how it does. But I tried the MMB dongle plus, and that one did very well on my brother's car. He has the same car but in black. This one has different fog lights. I made a video about this car a couple of years back for these fog lights, and they still work. A lot of people criticize the Chinese stuff, but I'm a big fan, and now I'm liking this little media box. And again, we're gonna jump right inside and test it out. Here we are now inside of the Camry, and here I have my little box. And before that, we used to have the wire coming directly here from this little USB hub right there. This is the factory one from Toyota. So all we have to do really is just plug this in to your car's USB hub right here, And then this light is going to be flashing for a couple of seconds until you're going to see here that your radio will detect it. So for this, let's just give it a few seconds. It takes about I would say between I don't know, 20 sometimes 40 seconds. And here you guys can see that it has connected already. So MMB Multimedia video box. And then it gives you a little prompt. It says, for your driving safety, please do not watch the video while driving. So that's kind of obvious. Then you click I know. Now this right here is Android 9.0, as I told you guys before. And if you want to confirm, we go here to where it says version. And then right here on Android version, it'll pop up here in just a second. You can see right there, Android 9.0. If we scroll down, this is the resolution of the display, 800 by 480. And here we have what I said before, the CPUs, the all-winner H6 quad-core, 1.8 gigahertz with the Mali T720. So the RAM and the ROM, 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal memory. So again, very cool. And this one also supports split screen, and it does support 5G Wi-Fi. So that's something that you're not going to get with every what do you call it, wireless CarPlay box. In this particular case, this is an Android one, and this is their latest version so far. So again, I'm very excited for this one. So if we look down here, we have something called more apps, and I just want to jump straight to the point. This one here again is Android, so you can use YouTube directly from here. You have the Google Play, so if you log in like with any other Android with your Gmail account, you can do all these things on here. And the great thing is that, well, it comes with 4 gigs of RAM. So for this little Android box, I would say that's quite powerful to have all that RAM and 32 gigs of internal memory. It's not like you're going to be downloading games on here. It is not recommended. It is just mostly a streaming app. So again, we have YouTube, and we have something that a lot of you guys were waiting for quite a long time, and it's Netflix. So with the dongle plus that I have from MMB, I was not able to play Netflix by casting it. So with this little media box, now we can just do it directly. And I just want to show you here so that way you guys can see that it is in fact working. So again, you're gonna need Wi-Fi. So for this, you can do either a hotspot directly from your smartphone, or if you happen to be near McDonald's or whatever the case where you get free Wi-Fi, you can also connect to that. And here you guys can see that Netflix did load up. But the most important part of all this is to see if it does start the movie. So let's click here on manifest, let's click on play, and let's see if it does play. So again, this is very cool. I mean, I'm not sure how excited you guys are, but I know I am. And here we have the movie. Some people called it impossible. So we can fast forward 10 seconds. You can see everything's working. No issues whatsoever. And we're talking about the factory radio. I know this thing is not cheap, but if you guys want to keep everything factory in your car, you don't want to go with an aftermarket radio, especially with newer cars from 2016 and up. Even before then, they have radios that are designed together with the dashboard, so it makes it a little bit more complicated to get replacement radios to where you can do this directly from the radio without having to install the box. But in my opinion, guys, I think the box is definitely worth it. It is a lot easier. All you have to do is just plug it in and go, basically. But now we also have other features on here, like we have seen, especially with the dongle plus that I reviewed for you guys a couple of days ago. And that is the phone cast. So to cast, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi first of all. We know that already. And then you click on phone cast, and on here you're going to choose phone screen, and after that you're going to choose here Apple Cast. And from here you can see that again I am connected to my home's network. So now all I have to do is go here into my iPhone. Let me unlock it for you guys. And now we go here into Control Center. Sorry, not that. Oh my god, hold on. Control Center, there we go. And we click on here where it says screen mirroring, and there we have it. It is called Smart Send 1. And so we click on that, and I have to say that it is a lot faster than the dongle plus. And I'm not trying to trash the Dongle Plus. The Dongle Plus, first of all, it is a lot cheaper. It's about $175. This is $288. So there's a big difference in price. But this one here, guys, if you like speed, then this is it. It's super fast. You guys saw that. Again, it's super responsive, and you can do the same thing on here. You can play things like YouTube. However, Netflix is not going to work, just like we saw with the Dongle Plus. So let's go ahead and click here on any video. Let's do I was trying to replace my mom's what do you call it, wiper blades, and I was watching videos. So let's just click on this one here real quick, and let's see if that works. And it does work, guys. So again, here you can see that I am casting YouTube right now, and it does work. But like I said, if you want things like Netflix and other streaming apps to work, then you have to use the regular Android. So at least you guys saw that. Again, the cast is working great on here. So let's go here back on home. And so yes, again, this is Android. The cool part about this now is that we have an updated version of Android versus other boxes out there, to where they had Android 7 that was a little outdated, especially when trying to download certain applications. It will tell you that you're running an old version of Android and you were not able to get it working properly. But that's not the case here with this particular box, guys. Let's just try let's see here. Of course, you can do the USB drive. You can play movies directly by plugging it in here into this little USB port that comes with the box, or you can just simply plug in your smartphone and have CarPlay working as well. But if you have this box, it's because you want it wireless, so most likely you're not going to be connecting it. So again, you also have here the feature for CarPlay. So this is the wireless CarPlay. All you have to do is click on it, and then you guys can see right here that I have it on where it says Jason's iPhone, and now it is attempting to connect, and that could take a couple of seconds. It could take between 30 and 40 seconds. Sometimes I get lucky and it does it in about 15-20 seconds, but then it'll go back to the original factory screen right here. And so you have to wait a couple of seconds, and again, it'll show up on here. Let's just wait so that way you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. And so like I said before, guys, this is a very cool box, and the part that makes it one of the best boxes out there is the fact that it has Android 9.0, it supports 5G Wi-Fi, it has split screen, and you can watch Netflix directly from it. And if that's not cool, then let me know what is, guys, because I think this is one of the best boxes that this company offers. And well, guys, there I gave you a quick demo of the wireless CarPlay. Make sure that, again, you are disconnected from the Wi-Fi and everything should work as expected. So with this being said, let me know if there's anything that you guys would like to see with this little wireless CarPlay box / Android system box, and I can show it to you. But again, it is very, very cool. It has Bluetooth capabilities. It's like just having Android on your car's factory radio, and to me, that's definitely worth it. With this being said, guys, let me know if you have any questions down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you on my next one.